Hello everyone, my name is Dion Durr from Pinky's Iron Doors. We're here to showcase our beautiful Getty double flat door today. All right guys, we're here on the Getty door. New door, new thing on my finger. This is the first door we're gonna be doing as a married guy. Weird, but let's go at it. Getty, new door. A lot of people kept asking us for higher kick plates. So we brought this in. So it's pretty much just like an Air 5, but with a high kick plate. This is what we talk about, how you can always customize stuff. We've had so much request on high kick plates, so we decided we're gonna bring this out. So this door is gonna be stocked. Whatever we stock will be in black. This door does come in different colors if you like to. We can make it in different colors on special order or custom. This is a low-E glass, which is fixed. It's not operable. This glass does not open. We did this so to have a nice and skinny border around it. These are 4-inch tubes with 1-inch T-bars, okay? So these are actually true divides. So this is 6 pieces of glass cut to this size and put in. These are not stuck over the glass, okay? That's how we do our stuff. I'm not going to talk about how other people do their stuff, but so these are all individual panes of glass, which is called a true divide door. High kick plate. This kick plate is also duplicated on the opposite side, on the interior side of it. We slimmed this down as much as we could to actually still allow a regular lock plate to go on this. Sorry, the door's a little dirty. This is a 4-inch tube we're using, and 4-inch by 2-inch tube. What else? I think this is going to do really well. It fits with a lot of these new Pinterest labels that people are coming up with on describing the design of their house. But this door measures 72 inches from outside to outside, 96 inches from all the way to the top to all the way to the bottom of the threshold. This is a right-hand in-swing, which means this door opens first into the house, okay? If this door opens in, will be a left-hand in-swing. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna flip this around and show you guys what the other side looks like. Okay, so we're on the interior side of the Getty door. This door so it's got this little beveled push piece that we use to hold the glass in. These are all individually cut and put in. So the T-bar is shaped like this. The glass fits here. The T-bar that sticks out is where we cap it with the push beads. Kick plate, that was duplicated at the interior side of it. Another key feature I've got to tell you guys about is we're using a 1-inch frame on this double door to allow larger doors, because it's a lighter door because we don't have an operable glass. That allows us to slim the frame down to 1 inch. So you have an inch on each side. So it's a 70-inch door opening, okay? So that's key. Some areas require that as code. So we drop that down. We can also make this door an outswing if you need to. But typically this is mostly gonna be for interior use, office use, a lot of, not interior, exterior, front doors, back doors, side doors. We also make this door in single, flat, and also in different shapes in single and double. All standard bore holes on this, guys. Again, we're adding all of our roller catches on these doors. This is to save the lock from over time, so it doesn't, from the door wobbling around, it will tend to break the lock if you don't have roller catches on, okay? Again, please, we'll do a little beauty shot of how clean our boreholes are. We try to keep them this clean. Once in a while, you do have to clean up a little bit. Not a big deal. We give you instructions on how to do that. But these are all laser cut. And this is truly a lot of work to get this stuff this clean, okay? And that's pretty much it. All of our doors are foam filled also. I keep forgetting to talk about that, but that's pretty standard in this industry. And the foam does not act as a thermal barrier, okay? Thermal barrier is for really cold extreme conditions. Metal's a conductor. It will conduct the cold in if you don't have a thermal break on your door. The foam is there so the door doesn't sound hollow. Also, it does help a little bit on heat, not much. If it's 130 degrees outside and the door is being blasted with heat, obviously you're gonna feel it because it's a metal and you're gonna feel it on the inside. But another thing is for moisture. So moisture doesn't build up inside the tubes, especially here over time. So moisture will build up inside and then rot out at the bottom is what we learned over time. So that's what the foam is for. You know, just be careful because some guys are calling this as a insulator for thermal break. Just know that it's a metal, it's a conductor. It'll conduct the cold from outside to inside. And these are only for really extreme conditions, okay guys? So we say anything below 20 degrees, we recommend thermal break. Again, it's totally up to you if you like to do that or not. Little gold things are grease nipples, so you can actually pump grease in it. These are male and female hinges that have a little copper crush washer inside of it. The grease nipples are there. You can unscrew them if you don't like them, or you can magic marker it out. Are there so you can put grease inside the hinges over time when needed, okay? So if it starts sounding a little rough, like a dungeon door, because it's a heavy door obviously, just pump some grease in it. Any automotive grease gun will work. You can get those things on Amazon for really cheap. That's pretty much it. I think this is it'll never go out of style. It's a very timeless design on this door. And just look around at any industrial old factory window and door. They've been around for hundreds of years and they still look amazing. And this is an example of what this door is with current modern technology of dual glazed glass and all that stuff, okay? Hope you guys liked it and see you guys on the next one. Hey everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed our showcase on our Getty door. If you guys have any questions, you're more than welcome to leave some comments below. We'll get those answered as soon as possible. You can also call us 844-843-6677, or you can email us at info@pinkysirondoors.com. That's PINKYSIRONDORS.com. Thank you guys.